Hi traders, it's Anthony here. This is a quick introduction to the TWA trading system. A little bit about myself. My name's Anthony Bourne. I started trading the stock markets in 2002. In 2016 or thereabouts, I decided to jump ship and transferred my money from the stock markets into a Forex account. I've been trading Forex and crypto predominantly since then as a full-time trader. I have a YouTube channel. It's Anthony's Trading Channel. You can do a search on YouTube, you'll find me. I'm uploading daily videos. We recently created a Discord trading room. Now, we did have a Telegram channel. However, as of the time that I'm doing this video, we're in the process of transferring from Telegram over to Discord. The Discord servers are a much better platform. As you can see on the left, and I mean this is free for you to join, we have the Trader Zone, access for everybody here, trade ideas, public chat, there's tutorials, and there'll be a whole lot of great content posted in here moving forward. So don't hold back, you're welcome to join. There's the link on my website, tradingwithanthony.com. The last 38 trade signals posted. This was into our Telegram before we started the Discord channel. Had a pretty good win rate. I think our members are quite happy. And of course there's testimonials, etc. If we go over to TradingView here, these are the indicators that I've developed over time. So I have a trading system or a strategy that I use in conjunction with our indicators. They give us some great trade signals over here. I won't go into the indicators so much, there's plenty of videos on that. Quickly back to the website, some member feedback over here in the testimonials you can have a look at. Of course, gain access to the full system including the indicators and all the tutorials. I'm making this incredibly affordable. I'm successful with what I do, and what I'm wanting is to share my success with others. I don't want to make this completely free. However, for a small investment on your part, we all benefit as a trading community, and it's a win-win situation. So with that, more or less sums up what I have to offer. Definitely jump on board and to benefit from our free Discord trading room. The link is below. With that, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.